Rooftop Sprinkler Kit here by Circo Innovations. Let's break it down and show you how to make it. Let's show you all the parts that are included. Into the assembly process, we'll start here. This adjustable design is going to come flat for packaging purposes, but quickly and easily can be loosened. You can set and take it off and set it to the pitch of your roof. Tighten it like that. Same on this side. Tighten it down just like that. Pitch, put it like that. Tighten it down. All right, let's move over to here. Plug those in to each side. Next, we have the sprinkler here. This is a full brass sprinkler, Rainbird design. Quickly can pop that up. This is going to have a setting where it continues to go around. Or you click this down, and this is going to allow a setting that's going to have a customized throw of the water. This quickly just sits right here and tightens down. It's recommended but not required to tighten it up when you get to the seal using a wrench, just so that seal is fully seated and you have no leakage of the water. That's good right there. All right, so use the self-tapping screws just in these locations right here. These are going to keep these legs from falling out. As you can see, they slide right in. Something to think about as well, if you're concerned about high winds, one of the things you can do is take sand and fill it full of sand in these pipes here. There's no water going through them. You just fill them full of sand. It's going to weight your sprinkler and be able to withstand higher winds. Self-tapping screws have been addressed for all these 4 locations. All right, going into attaching this to a hose. This is the hose we have at our location. Come into here and it just ties right in simply. Now let's say if you wanted to have 2 or 3 of these sprinklers connected, after you've tightened the initial hose, you're going to come over to this side, then there's a cap. This cap can be removed, and this system can be extended using an additional hose, ties right into these threads and continues on. You've seen in other videos, and we'll make more videos on this, but we're showing you how to do a string of sprinklers. But if you want to just use this one, keep this cap on, nice and tight. You also receive this in your box. These are directions, step by step, how to do what we just did. So you can go ahead and follow along, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Our website has our number there. Another purpose for the self-tapping screws is this. Let's say you have it flat like this, but you have a roof that you want it to maybe launch a little further over towards maybe the far end of the roof, and you want to adjust this. As it sits, it can adjust and move. But after you find that position you like and everything is tight, and these are screwed in, take two self-tapping screws, find that position you like, and put them in to those sections here. As you can see, there actually is a place that is designed for it, and you'll just basically put it in after you find that spot. All right, something else I want to show you guys, the adjustable unit assembly. It's pretty cool. These are separate parts that can be purchased from our website. So let's break it down. So if you want to come a little closer, we'll show you how we do this. First things first, this piece here, I'm going to drop that bolt in, and these spines together so they can lock. Take this piece here and drop it right there. In the past, we used to have to use a tool to tighten this down, but now you simply pull it towards yourself and you spin it. This is basically acting as a wrench. And there it is, locked into place. Adjust your pitch. We'll be making another video on this design and talking about high winds and what you can do in addition to what we've already talked about of adding sand for these legs, which will help significantly, but we're going to go into more options of, in case of those major winds, what you can do to secure it to the roof and have a better chance of surviving a fire. We'll be discussing the range of water throw, how far it is. We're on a standard well here at Circo Innovations, so that's what we're going to be showing you. We're also going to be showing you that design, like we talked about, extending into 2 to 3 sprinklers. And we're going to show you the difference and how much pressure you have on a standard well. So that video is coming soon. Don't miss it. Like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.